morning, this is Pops from the T-Road channel. This is diorama number 4. I'm just doing using some corn dog sticks as markers here. I'm trying to do some scratch building with this here. I got some foam, shipping foam, and make sure this thing is focused. And I just, basically outlined and broke it off and try to score it in like these other bricks. Make it like a late 1944, 45 Prussian, the eastern part of Germany. When the Russian assault troops are moving in on it. I got some little Mars from the Ukraine assault figures for number 4, and I'm gonna use those guys and put them down in here. And like I said, I'm gonna use iron. I'm gonna use a Russian, actual Russian kit from Russia over in the SU 152 on here. By Zvezda. So I'm gonna use this one here, and might try to do a little modifications and detailing markups on it, and add a little, storage stuff to it, bed rolls or logs or something to it, and make it look good. And run these troops, and I got 2 wounded probably SS. I'm using this Vallejo base, pale brown, and probably put them in some camo and autumn camo, and put them on here. I'm thinking about putting one behind the slide behind the building. Excuse me. Had this sitting guy up against this corner right here, and had this other guy just lay it out here, and the Russians running down the street, coming through the building, and then SU 152 over here in the middle somewhere. And I got to build up this little hole I got for a shell hole, and I might put a little piece of styrofoam, break it up, and detail a little bit, and put it on here and paint it up like another building ruin on the edge. That'll be number 4. Diorama number 4, project number 4. The drive westward. And this here is number 3. Good day, this is Pops from the T-Road channel. This is how I'm coming out on this. So that's the ISU 152. I put some logs on it. I got the gas tanks on it. Did a little weather into the tracks. I lost one of the handles, so I gotta try to improvise. I did the cables, did some took out the fenders on the back, battle damage. Bent the one on the front, took off one on the front. I gotta add the machine gun, but this is the kit that I had got. I got this from eBay, one of the Russian partners before the debacle over there in Ukraine. And here's the base of it. I did pretty much all the weather into it. Getting ready to do the finishing touches to it, so I can get this one out of the way too. But this is the base. I use some plaques for some of these. I got to clean it up, so I'm finishing the last minute weathering on it. And I got all the figures that I'm gonna use on it set away too. I got a few of these figures from the Ukraine that I'm using for these. And then I have my little German figures over here I'm working on too. I got a few resin casts, and some of them are by a Ukrainian company. One guy with a Panzerfaust and one guy with a Stungerwehr, early type assault weapon. And a couple, one dead, 2 wounded guys. That's all I'm gonna use for them. I gotta finish doing the camo on them. I gotta glue the machine gun to the SU 152, and then finish the last touch weathering on it. And I think I'm gonna call it quits on this one. Give it up for this one. But that's an update on this one here. And this will probably be project number 4. And I'm gonna get back with you on project number 5. I coded it and got it ready, so I gotta, do my thing on that. Thanks. This is Pops from T-Road Channel. Good morning. This is Pops from the T-Road Channel. I'm coming at you about this project number 4. I'm doing the infantry. I got these Russian assault troops and some SS, the land forces, wounded, dead, and a couple of active fighters. So I'm about through with those guys. And I did this SU 152. It's by that Russian company, Zvezda. So I got it. I added a supply accessories to logs on the side instead of the bag, and I'm gonna put some bags on the back, some kind of bags I'm gonna put together and put on the back, and that's gonna be it for it. It didn't come with open hatches, and I ain't feel like trying to do further damage to it by cutting them open. So I'm gonna let it ride with like that. And the base, I pretty well got it. Got it where I want it. I'm gonna work on painting the secondary rim around it, and then I'll redo the bottom stain portion of the plaque base I'm using. But for now, I'm pretty much through on my own ingredients. I got a few more debris stuff I can add to it after I glue down these Russian assault troops and these few German troops. But this is project number 4. It's like my march to Berlin through eastern part of Germany. So I'm gonna work on it and try to finish it on off here. That's all from T-Row. Pops. This is Pops from the T-Row gang. This is number 3, project number 3, representing like a long march into like East Prussia, and showing a town scene where ISU 152 is going down the street, and you got a few German holdouts and some Russian assault troops. I got to oppose them, but I got to do some more weathering to the board, touches up on the board here, and then I'll place the figures and mount the vehicle down. And I got to add these accessory packs that I got to the vehicle. These resin accessory packs. So I'll keep you apprised as I go and finish this one. This is another one from the T-Row gang, T-Row channel, and thanks for the visit. And please like and subscribe. Good morning. This is Pops from the T-Row channel, and this is my road to Berlin, East Prussia project called Red Hill, and it's completed now. Put a little debris on here, posed my miniature and plastic PVC and resin figures on here. Finished up this I believe it's Zvezda, Russian-made ISU 152 in here. Did a little minor battle damage to it, added a few accessories to it, and put on some decals and weathered it. But this is my red hill diorama is completed, and I'm gonna add it to my little collection on YouTube. And look forward to another one. I want to have one more Eastern Front diorama I'm working on now, and then I'll switch to the North American theater. But this is Red Hill, late 1944. It's done and ready for publication. So, with that, this is all from Pops. And thanks. Please like and subscribe.